So after taking this course, I realized just how important more technology in my classroom is, how I need to incorporate more. I've come to realize that it's just not enough to embrace the technology. I also need to think about how I can use it to assist my students to fulfill the requirements, stretch their technological capabilities, and help them grow as learners. So while taking this course, I've learned to incorporate these new technologies into my classroom that will encourage student participation and evaluation. During this class, I was able to explore new and unexplored technologies and websites that may be used in my class. This particular course and my classmates helped me feel more at ease with the use of these sort of tools for exams, quizzes, assessments, and gaming. And furthermore, I've been forced to go out of my comfort zone while performing some of these assignments, and it enabled me to discover new things. Previously, I was quite content just to stay in my lane, but now I'm ready to venture out and learn more. So how was I challenged? Well, in these tasks, I had to delve deeper and discover new methods to use the technology that I would not have previously utilized at all. I'm the type of person that gets a little nervous about venturing out of my comfort zone and trying something new. But as part of this class, I was challenged to achieve just that. In addition to learning the theories that underlie the integration of technology and gaining an understanding of how to evaluate technological resources based on their capacity to help my students expand their academic knowledge. So what ways have I changed? Well, after completing this class, I'm more knowledgeable about the many ways in which I can use technology in my teaching. The evaluation of students, the participation of students, learning-based projects can all benefit from an increase in the aid provided by technology. And my goal is to make it possible for each and every student in my class to further their education by providing them with challenging and trustworthy resources and tools that they can use. So what would I like to take with me? Well, first of all, my personal favorite assignment was the gaming, where we had to record the different games or technologies that we would use in our class. It allowed me to learn more about content creation, gaming, screen recording, and so on. The technical tools and skills that I've acquired during this course are surely going to come in handy when I start my summer academy course at the school I'm at right now. So my goal is to maximize the use of these tools available in my classroom so the students may improve their learning and become more involved and have fun as well. I had never done a personal blog page or web page or anything like that until I returned here to Liberty University. However, I really like this idea, and I think I'll continue it because I can showcase my academic and my professional achievements. And in the end, I can use the blog or website and show prospective employers and school districts the amount of effort that I put into learning and how I'm open to learning new things. And even as a teacher, I'm continually learning. So also the students, I want to say thank you because the other classmates really have made this such an outstanding experience for me. Thank you very much.